If you're thinking of building a website on platforms like Wix, Squarespace or Shopify, we can save you hours, if not weeks of work. You probably have an hourly rate you know your time's worth. Maybe it's £15 an hour, maybe it's 50. Building a website yourself is going to take time learning design skills, website structure, how to create a business email, how to set up your website on Google, how to be SEO friendly. The website also needs to be fast loading as well as mobile and tablet friendly. Gaining all the knowledge necessary means countless hours of work. It's near impossible if you're spending your time on what you should be doing, which is growing your business. When you take into account buying a domain, a business email, a yearly SSL, plus paying a site like Wix or Squarespace, you'll typically be paying about £25 to £40 a month. We're experts in design, search engine optimization, structuring a website to convert, and be ultra fast loading. We're so confident in our abilities that our platform is a pay monthly with no fixed term. You're not tied into a contract, we create websites without templates, and we try our hardest to ensure every website converts its users into paying customers. We also provide a business email and domain if you need one. Buy now online, or if you'd like to discuss further, reach out and let's have a chat.